Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing an install video of this beauty right here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna take y'all step by step on how I installed it and show y'all my process of how I did. A TikTok shop wig from Bling Fashion, and this is a 13 by 6 frontal, and it is 34 inches. Bling Fashion on TikTok shop, Bling Hair Fashion on TikTok shop. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I already did my ball cap off camera, and now I'm just about to go in with the foundation. To blend all this in. And the foundation I'm using is HD Flawless. It's probably from the beauty supply store. I don't know, I got it from my sister. And then now I'm going to put a little bit on this beauty, which is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. You know, I probably could go in and pluck it some more, but I won't. I'm just gonna tint the lace a little bit with my foundation. So I'm done with that part. You can see. Now I'm just really like placing it where I want it to be. I really can't see because all of this extra lace, but I'm about to cut it. To where it's like 3 parts. Oh, I almost cut my okay, so I sectioned it and cut it into like 3 parts so it could be easier to cut. Like a melody. Okay, so then after I cut it into the 3 sections, I'm just gonna go put glue on my hairline. And the glue I use is Nola hair glue. I either got it from Amazon or the TikTok shop, I don't remember. But this is the hair glue that I've been using for a while now. Well, the wig lace glue I've been using for a while now. Yeah, so I just go in with a thin layer of glue, and this is my second layer of glue because the first layer I did to put the cap on, which I did off camera. And you're just gonna want this to dry clear. Dry clear. I really don't know how to use this. I just got this. This is a Frontal Pro hair dryer. Got this from Amazon. So, let's see. Turn it on. as you guys can see, it's practically clear. It's like just a few spots right there that's not, but that's okay. Now we're just going to try and go in with your comb and just like comb that through like that. I don't know. Y'all be spraying it on y'all finger. I just spray a little bit. Spray a little bit. Spray a little bit. Oh, almost got that. Now we're back. I'm gonna go back with the scissors. Now look how long this is. This is 34 inches at the way. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cut off the little extra piece from like the earrings. To this side. See that? Yeah, it's still a little white though, but look at that, like, is it giving scalp? No, it's not. It sucks. And the band, how long y'all do y'all band? Did I just do an E-cane fit? Oh my god. But how long do y'all put your band on? I'm gonna probably put mine on for like, let's do 15 minutes because my head starts to hurt. Okay, band secured. 15 minutes. Now for the fun part, should I like keep it straight, middle parts, side part? I really wanted to curl this, but it's really long. Like, I don't know. What should I do? This is really long, like, y'all. Yeah, I do not know how to do hair, but I'll be trying. I really don't know what to do. Then we're gonna do a deep dive, try, okay, do a deep dive, okay. Put that there. Hold up. Clip it down. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this timer to go off, I have like 10 minutes left. We're gonna like start styling it. I decided I'm gonna do, I think this is considered a deep side part, but it's a side part. We're gonna, so right now I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick and like trying to like to solidify this part. Okay, let me back up. I usually just turn it on to 430, not 450. If you want to burn my hair, how y'all be doing? Y'all just love heat, and y'all be burning the mess out them wigs. But hey, that's not my business, that's yours. Do as you please with your hair. And I am gonna like put some layers into this. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Remove band, and now let's cut this loose. Make me a little sideburn. Why did I just do that? Go back in with the foundation around my hairline. As it does to me. I don't know, maybe on camera it doesn't, but it does look a little.